an ode, Natchez, Mississippi. In Natchez, where the river winds its tale, a land of grandeur, shadows deep and pale, the past speaks loud and whispers soft and low, of riches, chains, and tears that ceaseless flow. Mansions rise, their pillars tall and grand, echoes of a time when on this land slavery's chains did bind both heart and hand. Yet from such pain arose a spirit unplanned. The present sees a town, both rich and poor, where history's weight is felt at every door. The blight of time, the hope of days anew, Natchez stands, a testament ever true. A sacred place where souls of old reside, the South's very heart, its pain and pride. For in its streets, its homes, its rivers bend, lies a story of a start, a middle, an end. Yet future beckons with promise and hope, for a town that's learned to heal and to cope. From grandeur to grief, from riches to woe, Natchez remains and forever will grow. In the heart of the South, it stands so tall, a beacon of history answering the call. For in Natchez, Mississippi, you'll find the soul, the spirit, the heart intertwined.